So, tonight, I wanted to share a little intimacy snack with you. Something light, easy to digest, feel, and that maybe you can bring home into your relationship tonight. We are doing 5 questions. And I invite you to not just listen, but feel your answers. Hey guys. Oh, it's so nice to see you. Okay, so, and maybe if you're watching this with your partner, you can pause, and then after each question you can just share. I'm sending you hearts as well. I miss you guys. So just share simply and honestly. There's no need to be perfect. The first question is X energy. So do I still carry my past into my present relationship? Do I speak about my ex often or think? And what happens in my body when my partner mentions their ex? Just notice. Is there comparison? Insecurity? Openness? There is no need to fix anything. Just become aware. What do you think, guys? Feel free to share in the comments. 2, love. Is it forever? Or is it flow? Do I believe love has to last forever to be meaningful? Or can a relationship be complete even if it ends? Am I holding or am I experiencing? Just feel into that. And 3, when life is not beautiful, the purest form of love is someone wanting to witness life with you. It's easy to love someone at sunset. But when the sky goes dark, do we stay? Can I sit with you in the heaviness and still say I'm there? Let this land. 4, the 4 stages of love. Honeymoon. Reality. Power struggle. Conscious love. Where are you at right now? And are you resisting it? Or growing through it? Every stage asks something different from you. And 5, what do I touch first? What is the first thing I touch in the morning and the last thing I stroke before I go to sleep? Is it my partner? Or is it my phone? Yay, somebody wants to join. Hi guys, so nice to see you. Thank you all for being here. Sending so much love. So where is my attention really going? Take a breath. You don't need to answer everything tonight. Just take one of these questions and sit with it together. Because intimacy doesn't grow in big moments. It grows in these small, honest, present ones. If this resonates, send this post to your partner or share one answer in the comments. And if you want to go deeper in this kind of work, you can find everything in the link in bio. We guide couples through this in online programs and in our retreats. I hope to see you there. Bye. Much love.